Do you work in education or manage communication for groups? If so, knowing how to use BCC, or blind carbon copy, is crucial for protecting privacy and keeping things professional. Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this video, I'll explain what BCC is and why it's important, especially in education and professional settings, and guide you step by step on how to use it in Gmail and Outlook. What is BCC? Let's start with the basics. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. It's a feature in email that allows you to send the same message to multiple people without them seeing each other's email addresses. This is perfect for sending group updates to students, parents, or colleagues, protecting email privacy in large lists, and reducing unnecessary replies, especially in professional or educational settings. How to use BCC in Gmail. To send a group email using the BCC field in Gmail, follow these steps. Open Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, enter your own email address. Click BCC, then enter the email addresses of your recipients. Type your message and click Send. Everyone gets the email, but they'll only see their own address, not the others. How to use BCC in Outlook. In Outlook, here's what to do. Open a new message or reply to an existing one. Go to Options, Show Fields, then click Show BCC. Now you'll see the BCC line. Enter the addresses of the people you want to copy privately. Finish your message and send. Just like in Gmail, recipients won't see who else received it. Important tip: before you use BCC, make sure your recipients are expecting your message. Why? Because spammers often misuse BCC, and junk filters sometimes flag those emails. To avoid this, ask your contacts to add you to their safe senders list so your email doesn't land in spam. For example, as a teacher, you can use BCC to email parents about class updates without sharing their contact information. Or, if you're an administrator, you can send school-wide announcements while respecting everyone's privacy. And that's how you use BCC effectively. Perfect for educational, professional, or personal use.